Right, 2018, section B, question 2. The image shows a cardboard carry box for a child's novelty toy. A complete surface development of a similar box without gluing tabs is given in figure B2 below. When the box is assembled, point C coincides with point C1 and A coincides with A1. AB is a straight line. Okay. Draw the given development of the surfaces labelled 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Note, position this view carefully to ensure the entire answer fits on the drawing sheet. Okay, so we're going to keep this. We said you'll have a big drawing sheet in the exam. I'm hoping I should be able to fit it onto this A3 sheet here in front of me. We'll see how we go. So I'm going to position it over to the left hand side to keep it away from, because we're going to, by looks, we have to draw another bit over to the right. So I'm going to keep this point here over as close to the left hand side as possible. So, going to start with this corner here. That distance there is 50, so that should be 50. So I'm going to leave about 60 mil from the edge of the sheet, maybe 70. Should give me enough space to start. Okay, then it's 50, 150, and 50 again. Yes, I might struggle to fit this on now. So in the middle of that there we have a centre line. And then from the top then we'll try and keep it roughly in the middle, so that's about here, that's the centre over there set. So in the centre I'm going up 30, 50, and 35. And coming down the way then it's 30, 50 and 35. Okay, so we've got outline drawn in there now. We'll just go back and heavy in as much of this as we can here. So, here's the heavy edge. Look at the heavy edge. Heavy edge. Yeah, so that's those edges there then set. We're coming in 10 mil on the edge here to get this 35 line. Same on the other side. Yeah, I'll finish this side over here as well. Finish this up. So we see the center is out 30 mil. Come down 15. Up 15. I know. No, just looking at there now. That's a 20-degree angle there. And this one's out 15, so these are actually different. So we get caught there very easy now. Where's me tractor? I have a tractor there somewhere. Hang on. Don't worry, I'm leaving the tractor now. So I just have to go it out. That's 20-degree angle. That's 20-degree angle. That's so symmetrical there. That is 15 as well. Where's this side? Where's that protractor? How do you do it now unless I make it? So I just make it 30 degrees here. So we know, because I don't have the protractor. Just end up making, no, I'd probably make it a bit small then. And I pause this, let's see if I find it. Right, so I'm just looking here now, trying to see what we have here. So, trying to draw this surface here. So when I'm looking at the end of that, that's going to be folded up and it's going to be folded in onto the center line. Okay, the height's at 35, so it's going to be folded in here somewhere. It's a length 35, so if I swing my compass there, 35, there, 35, yeah, they cross there. Okay, so this will join back there, and that'll go back there, because that's those two edges. That's like the Mario edges there. That's them falling in there, falling in there. If that's there, then when I bring that across, that'll give me that line in elevation there. It'll give me this line in elevation. Okay. And then I need to find that point in plan. So that's falling in plan. Where is that? And that's falling in. Where is E in plan? So it's down here and across. It's in 10 mil from the edge, isn't it? It is, because the widths will never change, so it comes in 10 mil from the edge there. Okay. So that's that point in plan there. So it's that on that side, it's going to be the same on this side. And then once we have it, this point here, then we know that that's going to be a heavy line across there. So we should really work for this. Look in there, that's a heavy line across there. That's that line there. We can extend this up to cut through our green point to give us our top green point. There. And then that can actually be heavy in then. Okay, and that's going to come across there then. Now, what we need to do here is just free heavy in this curve here. Okay, we need to get some points on that, so I'm going to take just 2 points on it. There and there. And I am going to take the height there up. I'm going to step them off up here. Okay, so that point there and that point there is that height. I'm going to take the width of them. I'm going to step the width off this way and the width off this way. Sorry, taking I'm taking the point on yeah, that's that right there, that distance there is that distance there. Yeah, that's right. So I'm taking that height. Yeah, no, that's perfect. So I'm taking that height there and I'm going to bring it across. I'm going to bring it up there and there. So that's 1 point there, that's 2 points there, that's 3 points on my curve. This is my 4th one, this is my 5th one, which are my widths that I already have. There's that compass gun again. from there to there. Bring these up. Take those heights. That's the wrong height I stepped off there now. That's one there. That's one there. That's one there. And that's one there. And they join those guys curled up there. Create a curve. And come back down to the edge. Heavy that end pen. Okay, so we're working backwards from what we'd normally do. Normally we divide up this and we bring it down. This time we're dividing it up down here and bringing it up here. Okay, and that's my end view completed then. We can take those points then again. This one here. Sorry, light pen. This one here, this one here. Bring them down here, here. Bring them in, 1, 2. And drop them down then in elevation here, up here. 1, this in the middle. 2. That's the edge there. That's that one. That's that one. And that goes back down there. Okay, and you can just transfer those distances across then through axial symmetry. This one here across, and this one here across. Butters down and in there like that. Okay, they're the same on the other side. You can just draw them in on the other side there. I'll do them quickly here. So this is 100. Split that there. Split down the middle, 105 easy. Last distance there is 29. 29. There's 27. 27. 34. 34. And that's that for the in across there then. Okay, the last bit then in the elevation is this is a flat bit here. So in order to, the last part here then is draw the remaining vertical hand surface 10 and 11 in elevation, end view and plan, and hence complete the surface development. So basically once we have these heights here now, we have this height here and this height here, which is, we have a curve on top there, so we can split that. So this is my 35 height there. Yeah, this is my 35 height there. So I need a center that runs up to the center of that. I'll bring up the center line from the bottom. Up the center of the bottom there. From there, that gives me my center for this line across the top. Okay, and then that gives me the top point for my, that there is the top point then on my other circle, which is down, which is 12 mil up. Just 12 mil up from the base, so if I come up 1, 2, 12 mil there. Draw a horizontal line. And that's the curve there. That then gives me my radiuses for my curve over this on the far side. And the same here, this radius here. Into me here, and then like that. That's my 12 up. Yeah. And then they just join back to the edge there like that. Okay, same down the bottom here, and then just fill in your dashed lines here, here, and here, here, and here, here, and here, and then that's that one done. Okay, tricky enough one now that is. There's a bit of time and a bit of visualization in it. So give it a go. If you have any questions, let me know and see how we go. Alright, so folks, I don't know where that's gone. So we'll just have to plow ahead through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it as close to it as possible, so I'm going to make it a 15-degree angle. No, I'll make it 30 degrees because it'll just make it a bit sharp and tight it up. Will we get away with a 30-degree angle? Yeah, we will. Okay. 30 degrees there. No, 30 degrees and go by that. That's about 15 degrees. Yeah, 15 degrees would work. There we go. My green is my semicircle then. Okay, that's that side then done. Here then, the top here, we're going 100 wide, yeah. That's up to the edge now, we need to do this bit up the top here. It's up 12 mil anyway. Up 12 mil. Radius of one gives us the radius of the other one. Now they have R, and R. I wonder, are they all the same? No, they're not. Look, I need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to start with. On a separate diagram, draw the orthographic projections as follows of the 5 others of those 5 surfaces when the box has been assembled: an elevation in direction of arrow X, an end view in direction of arrow Y, and a plan projected from the elevation. Okay, so we don't need any more of that for a minute. Draw surfaces 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the development, and also in the elevation, end view, and plan. Right, we're kind of doing 2 questions coincide here now with each other, so I'm going to try stick down another. So you would have one of the big sheets, so I'll stick down another sheet out here to the side. Move this across here. And we will stick down another sheet out here, and we can draw away into this. Okay, so that's an elevation plan, then view out the side here. So we'll go out here and we'll set up an XY line. Hopefully we have enough room now. Direction looking in an arrow X, so it's looking in the front way, so it's 100 mil. I'm going to keep it real close to this now, to be honest. Yeah, it should fit. Elevation and plan. Mil, 50 mil height for the side. We have a small gap between the plan, and then my plan is looking down on a box that's going to be 60 wide. All these edges are flat edges. And up then to our end view. Lovely. So that was just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Separate diagram, orthograph projections, elevation, X, plan Y, and projected. Perfect. Draw 6, 7, and 8 in your development, and also in the end elevation, end view, and plan. So 6 and 7 are done. 8 and 9 are 8 and 9 are done. Yeah, that's 8 and 9 there. Okay, so they're done development, and we need to draw them in now over in our elevation, or in our plan view, sorry. So I'm looking in here as an end view, so I'm going to see this as an end view here. Now where will I see the curve? They fold in, so I'm going to see the curve in plan, or I'm going to see an elevation, or I'm going to see an end view. Just trying to think here now. Right, I'm doing 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this folds up, and we've got this side coming in at an angle. So this edge and this edge line up to each other. They might if our view was, if we had drawn fully correctly, but they don't in this anyway because this extends up past it. So yeah, this guy and this guy are actually the same length, so I could probably give me a better angle to have them at 20 degrees. So if I take them there and step them down there, step it down there, step it down there, step it down there, that'll just edit this to give me the right angle, because I haven't got the protractor. So great to have all your equipment. I have a protractor there, I just don't know where it's gone. I can't find it under everything. So we're taking the full length of that distance there, and it's going to swing up here. So it's coming up here like this. It's coming up here like this. Okay, because that side there is going to flip in there, and it's going to fall in there as well. Okay. That's the two sides there then, and obviously that's the center line up the middle of this. Okay, so there's going to be a true line up there, that's going to be folded away, so we won't see it there. And down in plan here then, we're going to have a curve here as well.